Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong first 6 months ng 2025, so January to June 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you for your support. Ayan, so let's see, Cancer. First 6 months. Ano yung energies for you? First 6 months. Venus. Venus is the planet of love, money. So maaring yan yung isa sa tema ninyo ngayong first 6 months. You will focus on yung iba, career. Oo, kasi midheaven. Midheaven is like kung saan ka mas makikilala, or kung saan ka mas magiging successful in life. You also have the 11th house. Okay, so for you, Cancer, I'm seeing here na meron kayong mga gagawin, no, ngayong first 6 months na it will create influence sa ibang tao. So maaring meron kayong kakayanan na maimpluwensyahan yung ibang tao through internet, through social media, dahil meron kayong certain talents pagdating sa let's say finances, magaling kayong mag-advise sa finances, or kayo ay merong negosyo, or merong kayong sinishare na knowledge ninyo pagdating sa health, pagdating sa beauty, skincare, things like that. So maaring kayo ay magiging popular, or minsan naman kasi hindi mo kailangan maging artista para maging popular ka. So you can be popular sa work mo, sa company ninyo, sa area ninyo, sa community ninyo, or sa social media. And talagang magpupursige ka ngayong first 6 months na matupad mo yung pangarap mo. And I see you fulfilling your dreams. Merong success dito for you. You will also be surrounded by people na sumusuporta sa visions mo, sumusuporta sa ginagawa mo. Meron ka ring mga taong matutulungan. You have the 8 of Swords. Nako, yung iba sa inyo, nandun kayo sa point na natatakot pa kayo. Natatakot pa kayong lumabas. Natatakot pa kayong mag-express ng inyong sarili. At iniisip nyo na wag na lang kaya. Oo. Yung tipong may plano ka. Halimbawa, gusto mong maging social media influencer, content creator. Kaya lang, pag sisimulan mo na, natatakot ka na, or parang nagda-doubt ka na sa sarili mo. So, gaano mo ba talaga kagusto na maging successful? You ask yourself. Kasi minsan, nagkakaroon ka niya ng self-limiting beliefs. Ikaw mismo yung sasabotahe sa sarili mong success. Let's see what else. You have the Tower. Ooh, major change. Ace of Cups. New beginning and Elder of Pentacles. Okay. So, magkakaroon dito ng parang breaking point, no? Or, siya, ito yung magpupush sa'yo para talagang i-explore mo yung heart's desires mo with the Ace of Cups. And this will lead you to your destiny, to your financial goals. Hindi mo inaasahan, 'di ba? Medyo drastic lang yung magiging dahilan kung bakit ka aalis sa comfort zone mo. So let's say for example, ang comfort zone mo ay yung trabaho mo ngayon, pero it's not really giving you fulfillment, or pwedeng stuck ka dyan, you don't feel like things are growing for you, no? So, maaring, biglang, mawawalan ka ng trabaho. And then, kaya nawala yung work, nawala yung opportunities because there is something new that is coming. Or, ito yung time para, hindi ka na matakot na mag-spread ng iyong wings, ng iyong pakpak, dahil kaya mo naman palang lumipad. 'Di ba? So, figuratively, yung sinasabi ko, of course, we can't really fly on our own. But, it's about you na pag-alis sa iyong comfort zone. Kasi you are meant to be successful. You are meant to be there, no? To be seen, na makita ka ng mga tao, na makita nila yung talents mo, skill set mo, to be popular in a good way. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, you are closed off. Yung parang iniiwasan nyo, parang nagtatago kayo. Ganon. Nagtatago kayo. Paano ka mas mag-grow if you are hiding? There is a celebration. I think merong isang kaibigan or someone who is close to you or someone na nag-i-inspire sa'yo ngayon na malalaman mo, makikilala mo. Kasi pwedeng tao to, like literal na makikilala mo personally or someone na makikita mo sa YouTube, mapapanood mo sa TikTok that will encourage you to go out of your comfort zone. Yan, meron kang creative force. The good thing about this creative force is talent mo na to. It's within you. Kailangan mo na lang tong i-explore. Yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na ito eh. Kaya lang natatakot lang kayo kasi feeling nyo hindi ito reliable. Actually, na-program kasi tayo na pagkatapos na kailangan natin mag-aral para makakuha ng trabaho at para mabuhay. But it doesn't work that way anymore, no? 'Di ba? Maraming hindi mga nakatapos ng pag-aaral na naging very successful kasi pinurso nila yung dreams nila, yung talents nila. I'm not saying na wag ka mag-aral kasi pwede ka namang maging successful. I mean, if you have opportunity na makapag-aral, na, ma-explore yung iba mo pang knowledge. At saka ang pag-aaral, hindi lang naman sa school yan. You can learn at any time you want, anywhere you want. You can learn from YouTube. You can learn by researching online. Kasi ngayon, yung information nandyan na. Okay? Ikaw na lang yung hinihintay na mag-take action. Oh my God, quick action. Because your wishes, mag-grant yung wishes mo. Yung creative talents and skills mo, nandyan na yan. Kailangan mo na lang itong i-enhance. Kung hindi mo pa siya na-explore, hindi mo pa siya na-discover, ayan, discover mo na. Paano mo ma-discover? Then, look within yourself. Ano ba yung mga bagay na gusto mong ginagawa? It brings so much joy to you. 'Di ba? Kung wala talaga, then try new things. Kasi you'll never know na dun ka pala magiging masaya. O, 'di ba? There's pride, there's recognition. Meron kang achievement in the next 6 months or first 6 months, first half ng 2025. So, you just have to claim it. And umiwas ka dito sa energy ng limiting beliefs mo, ng self-doubt mo, self-sabotage. Kasi you are more than what you think you are. Kumbaga, marami kang kayang gawin to make yourself even more successful. Oh, you are the joy seeker, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, i-explore nyo or i-discover nyo what brings you joy. What little victories can you celebrate? Oh. And, syempre, din may celebration dito, tas may celebration pa. So, some of you will be celebrating a very important achievement in the first half of 2025. There is strength in doing nothing. Wait. What have you been forcing and how can you let go of the outcome? Ayan. Baka yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ipinipilit na gawin, mangyari. Pero kasi kapag talagang hindi yun para sa atin, hindi natin yan makukuha eh. Kahit anong pilit natin. So, ano yun? I-figure out mo yun and let that go. Kasi if it doesn't really work for you, then let it go. Okay? And find whatever will bring you joy. Whatever will bring you fulfillment. Kasi yun dun ka mas magiging successful. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.